Hello, today I will be introducing you to the TechSparent software and its management interface that can be accessed with your browser. TechSparent is a service that runs on the background of the computer and reports back on your hardware and software and any problems that it detects. After installation, you're able to see the TechSparent logo on the taskbar. You double click on it. This interface will show up. You're able to see any CPU usage and temperature of your computer and all of the information on the installed computer. You're able to go to settings and choose your user interface settings. Hebrew and English are right now the main languages. More languages will be added in the future. In reporting actions, you're able to choose what parameters needed to be reported, such as CPU temperature and which temperature it should report. As you can see, 69 in here is the temperature that is designated to report once it reaches it. In settings, you're able to choose which email will receive the report. In the executing tasks, you're able to perform any register cleanup, temporary folders cleanup, and other things that can assist your computer in running much more smoothly. Startup programs. In startup programs, you're able to see which programs are running when the computer starts, and in the future, we will be adding the action to stop it. Components. Which components are currently running on my computer? As you can see, local printers. Ports. You're able to see which ports are open in your computer and act upon any problems that you will find and turn off any port. Now we'll go to the management interface. Once you logged in, you click on the My Computers. You're able to see all of the clients that you have installed the TechSparent software on. Please excuse me for the Hebrew names. Right now the software running on Israel, and therefore all of the names are in Hebrew. But as you can see, the example of my computer. The status has different parameters. Active. It means that the computer is running, connected to the internet, and the user is right now using it. Inactive. The computer is connected to the internet, the program is running, but the user is not using the computer. Not connected. It means the computer is not connected to the internet and the software cannot report back to us. You will have in the action bar in here, you can be able to remove the station, edit the station, and the special feature, you can connect it with any desk. Once you click on it, any disk software will open up and will ask the user to connect. This is my computer. This is what the client will see in his computer too. You're able to, on the three dots, once you click on it, you're able to see the license, copy the license, manage DNS. The software gives the local computer DNS address that can be accessed. Pay for the station or show details. You do not need to call your client in order to see any information about his station. You're able to see his operation system, if the Windows is activated, the type of device that he's using, and does he have any restoration port. And here you have the payment console too. Once if the user would like to keep the software and receive any updates, he will need to register and pay a certain amount in order to receive a license in order to use the software in the future. Now we'll go to the reporting alerts. In reporting alerts, you will see all of the reports that we receive from our customers and which problem the software detected. As you can see, we have a client that his CPU reached the temperature of 81 degrees. We will need to call him and ask him, did he use a software that made the CPU reach this temperature, or just a dusty computer? And from that, we can go to the client and assist him with the problem and receive payment for it. As you can see, there are different parameters that can be shown, such as the caution of a certain disk in the computer of the client. Not just a disk, a certain disk. As you can see, the condition of disk 3. And report back to you, and you're able to go to the client and sell him a new hard drive. This is the TechSparent software. Hope you like the demonstration and start using the software. It may assist you with your client management and with your business. Thank you very much.